Hi, as we're moving down this list, now we're facing A major and F sharp minor set of scales. Both have 3 sharps, so just be mindful about that. Here we go. Let's do it slower. And now, let's get ready for the minor. Here we go. And slow version. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would also really be happy if you visited my website for more information about the lessons I teach online. Thanks for watching.